and today I'm going to recreate for you this beautiful flower arrangement. I got this vase, I think it was from my local Dollar Tree, and I got these beautiful Christmas arrangements. I think these were at my local Michael's store. And I think I got this tray from Home Goods. So the things that you're gonna need is a vase, of course. You're gonna need some ribbons. I think I got these ribbons from Michael last year. And you're gonna need a hot glue gun. I think I got this hot glue gun from my local Dollar Tree. So these are not that of, more expensive stuff. These are stuff that you can pick up. And you don't have to use these flower arrangement. You can go out and get I got these flowers from my local TJmaxx store. And I got these other arrangements. These are just Christmas arrangements that I bought for my Christmas tree this year. And I just pick them up and then just use them. So without further ado, we gotta jump right in the video. But before we do so, I'm waiting for you to subscribe to my channel.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so we can jump right in the video. Okay guys, that's me using the hot glue gun to glue the satin onto the vase. And remember, that's just by choice. You can use lace or whatever you have laying around in your house. Okay? And make sure you go in a circular motion. So this part right here, I'm reaching for my pearls because I think the pearls work perfect with the satin. Okay, that's the finished product after you wrap in the vase. And I just used a little piece of satin to wrap the end of the flower. The flower was too long, so I cut it. Okay, and that's me decorating the vase right there. I had those flowers from my Christmas tree. I got those out of my Christmas tree last year. And I think those will go perfect with the flower arrangement. So that's just me arranging. But whatever you have, you can arrange. You don't have to do the same thing. But I just love that finished look that it gives. Okay, and to top it off, I'm just adding 2 Christmas ornaments I had on my Christmas tree last year. I think it works perfect. And I had some pearls that I have laying around the house. I'm just going to top it off right there. That's a finished product. Okay guys, this is just another way how you can make your vase. If you see, I just added the gold bling wrap to the top of that vase. So just other ways how you can decorate your vase. Guys, this was very easy to create, and I have everything listed in the description down below. And make sure you guys thumbs up, like our video, and make sure you subscribe. We're gonna have a video coming every week, and we're gonna create, I think for next week we're gonna recreate this book. But I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. these beautiful